Hey, welcome back. Hey, welcome to Guru Nyiko. If you're on my other channel, it's Liquid Studios. Pretty much what I'm gonna teach you on my next lessons, right, will be more about casework on Revit, right? How to create them, how to create casework on Revit. That's pretty much what I'm going to be posting, right, on for the next coming, let's say, 4 weeks, right? So I'm just gonna be showing you how I do this. Hopefully you're going to enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, right? I'll put the link down here, and then see you on the next video, which I'm probably gonna be start recording it right now. Cheers, guys.